All right, folks, we just finished this top cap fence. I'm gonna have to move because of the sun. We got called down to Jacksonville, Georgia by a client that actually found our website. He was in a frantic Saturday, went to Home Depot or Lowe's and bought their best quality stain. Got here to the house and it was actually a mess. So we came down, we used Wood Defender Sierra and sprayed over it, and you cannot even see any of the other stain. The semi-transparent has a heavy blend of iron oxide pigments. It's an oil-based stain. As you can see, we completely stained over this fence. I didn't have to put 3 or 4 coats on it. When you've got a product this good, you don't have to put 1 coat on it. So give us a call. We actually get a lot of jobs like this. Our clients trying to save some money, and staining is not an easy application, and we understand, but I'm actually the only certified trained Wood Defender rep from Charleston, South Carolina to Miami. So give us a shout. We'll come out and give you a free estimate. Make your fences last forever, and good fences make good neighbors. Have a nice day.